going on, guys? Dan here at Landshark. So just got back from Los Angeles this week, and one name that I'm looking at the equity side is really Tesla, right? So when I was out there, obviously it's Los Angeles, it's a major city, so you're going to see a lot of nice cars. But I kept seeing these Teslas over and over. So when I came back and I was looking at equity, long trades, and positions, I started looking at this stock, right? So I'm more of a technical trader more than fundamentals, but I'm always looking for ideas. So whether it's a product that I'm buying or I see a product coming out in the market, I'll go and look and say, okay, look, I like this, but let's go and take a look at the chart and see if there's a trade to be had on that particular name. So technically, this stock has been in a huge, huge uptrend right here, right? And let's kind of illustrate this, right? We had a pullback and then another really, really strong move. All we're seeing now is another pullback on this name, and I'm looking to see a continuation, right? Is there enough room, to make this trade? Now, I don't need 30 points out of this, right? I'm mainly an options trader, and we want short-term moves to make our money, right? So I only need this thing to move 10, 15, maybe even 5 points so that I can make my money as a day trader, trading on this name. So what we're looking at technically on this, and we'll go step by step on it in this video, is pretty straightforward. So here's our pullback on this trend. And right here, we made this low. We found support, and then right here, there's a gap. Let's kind of zoom into this. Right, price action came back. It's really small, but it filled the gap, right? So technically, that's a nice sign to see. We pulled back, right? We broke this high here. We pulled back once more, and we made a higher high, right? So for me, when I look at this technically, I say, okay, when we made this higher high, could this be the turning point in this name, right? So that's what I'm looking for this long. Now, we also have an earnings event coming up in about a week or so, so that could give us a catalyst to push us a little bit higher and continue this trend. So as far as resistance levels go, let's kind of erase these drawings and clean the chart up a little bit. What we're looking for on this is, one second here, is really resistance level at 220, which is this high here, and another level at 235. Right, so I'll probably trade a long into this at the close, depending on how strong this is, and kind of fade this idea to say, okay, look, if we can get through 220, my next target is 235. Pretty straightforward trade, right? So that's what I'm looking for in this name, a pullback, a gap fill, higher highs being made, and we're just looking to see if the market's going to continue to find value in this name and take us a little bit higher. So make sure to subscribe to the blog. I had a great post last week about the trip out to LA and about the selling. There's really good money-making opportunities last Thursday and Friday, and make sure that you do sign up because we're going to start sending out these videos about 3 times a week. So that's it. Best of luck trading, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.